in Lisbon or wherever your final travel take you.
It took it.
Day one in Lisbon. You got mugged by a seagull.
Yeah, I'm officially a tourist here. I feel like a loser.
How are you gonna feel about the seagulls back home now?
I'm gonna love them. Love them. Like, I kind of am just like whatever about them now.
Because they have manners?
They do.
Like bees?
Yeah. Going to the water to eat another egg tart to try this again and hopefully be successful and not a tourist.
Are you nervous?
Come on. There's no food here. Oh my God.
Do you think that's... Don't worry about seagulls, or you think that's... Look, seagull attack's gonna happen again, so at least let's give you a rim.
No. The hope, the calm, the reassurance after the storm. Everything's gonna be all right. The worst is behind us now. Oh!
Now the pigeons are freaked here?
Guys, there's nothing. Lots of pigeons. I screamed. Help! like the breeze. feels good. We are at Pena Palace. We're gonna go see some views in the fog and colorful castle.
Is that a toilet?
What?
I mean, what else could it be?
Wow, yeah, it's the first one.
Royal toilet.
The first royal toilet. I'm choked up, I can't even talk.
This is my kind of kitchen.
Don't look like a tourist anymore. Maybe I do.
Today is our last day.
And it's raining.
Yeah, but we got to explore, which is nice. I think where I struggle with work trips is I get so wrapped up with work, and then if I do anything in the city, I feel like they're the things you have to do. Whereas it turns out for me, what I enjoy most doing is just kind of roaming.
Yeah.
So I think today was my favorite day of the trip, even though it was
Really?
raining. Yeah.
That makes sense because it was cool. We went to the old part of the city and I really liked it.
Mm-hmm. So this is Lisbon
In the rain.
in the rain. That's all I got. I don't know what to say.
Obrigada.